Welcome to another episode of Tisha's a Contractor. Let me show you how to make this really easy storage container for your garage. It's on wheels, portable, let's go. I start out by marking all of my 2x4s. I need 8 vertical supports at 36 inches, 4 horizontal supports at 68 1/4, and 6 pieces at 29 inches. Then I'm gonna go and cut these, but first, I need my safety glasses. The contractor also got a new family member, so we're gonna go and put her away safe so we can do these cuts. I used my baby the miter saw and cut all of these down to size. And since my table saw needed to have its blade changed and I didn't have the wherewithal to do it, I used my circular saw with clamps and an extra 2x4 to cut those 6 pieces that were 29 inches right down the middle, giving me 12 pieces that we're gonna use for the rungs. I pre-marked the vertical pieces marked at 15 and 31 1/2 so that I knew exactly where to line up my rungs. Then I drilled a pilot hole first and then screwed it in with a 2.5 inch screw. I created 2 single-sided ladders and 2 double-sided ladders. Once I was done, I laid them all out on the floor so I can start assembling. These base supports are always tricky when you first start out, but I did mark where they were supposed to be placed prior to putting them down at 1.5, 22 1/4, 44 1/2, and 66 3/4, which made it a lot easier to line up. The side I'm working on is going to be the bottom, so I went ahead and measured over 8 inches so that I can place my caster wheels. The top part here is actually going to be the back of the rack, and so I'm putting just regular caster wheels, and on the bottom portion I put the caster wheels that have locks, so they'll be at the front and easy to access. Before flipping it up, I took some scrap pieces of 2x4 and cut each end at a 45-degree angle so that I can use them as brace supports on the back of this structure. Once I got all that squared away, I flipped it up onto its wheels and gave it a little test run. It felt level, the edges felt square, and I started to put the top pieces of the structure together. Clamps were imperative for this project. It helped hold all of the pieces in place at different junctures in the project, and I highly recommend that you get clamps that can open a minimum of 12 inches. You'll notice that I attach the ends first and then I go back and fit the middle rungs. I just found it worked easier. Then as my last piece to put in place, I cut a couple more pieces of scrap to put these braces at the back. And then it was time to test it out. I put all my body weight on it. I swung it around. I made sure that it could hold. Then I tested out the caster wheels. I made sure that they could lock properly. There wasn't going to be any weird shifting around. I put a lot of stuff in my storage bin, so I need to make sure that this is going to work. And now it's time to test. Do my bins fit? And they absolutely do. I love this project. I think it's perfect for moving into the warmer weather. It doesn't require a lot of tools, and it's easy for even the beginner DIYer. So if you want to give it a try, I'm happy to send you the project plans, and like and follow for more. Bye!